Are you ready to turn your ideas into income? Imagine writing a book in record time, using the power of AI, and then selling it on Amazon to create a passive income stream. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to write a book with AI and sell it on Amazon for passive income, all with zero prior experience. Whether you're dreaming of becoming a best-selling author or just looking to make extra cash, this video is your blueprint to success. Let's dive in. Before that, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Firstly, open up your browser and open ChatGPT. First step is to find the high-performing topics for your book. So ask ChatGPT and run the query. Now you have selected the topic for your book. In my case, I'll choose fiction. Now the second step is to get the ideas for your book. Now ask ChatGPT about your niche based on the topics you have selected before. ChatGPT will provide you some names and minor details about your book. Select any one of them. If you don't like any suggestions, just provide the book title and subtitle to the ChatGPT, and ask for your book outline. You can take reference from mine input query. And the ChatGPT will generate the table of contents and the outline for that book. Now the third part is to create the outline of the book. So go to Google Docs and paste the book name, table of contents and outline of the book on Google Docs, and must select the heading point and the normal text. Now copy the table of contents and paste on the Google Docs, and adjust it perfectly. Now copy the outline of the book and paste below the table of contents. Once you have done it, now the final part is to generate the extended content of the book using ChatGPT. Copy the Chapter 1 and ask ChatGPT to generate the content of Chapter 1. I'll ask ChatGPT, do not forget the sequence of the table of contents. And each chapter must contain 1,200 words. Once the content is generated, copy and paste on Google Docs. We will cross-verify that ChatGPT follows the sequence of table of contents, or not. Now go for the second chapter. Again we will copy and paste the content in Google Docs. Once more we verify that ChatGPT follows the sequence. Then we will just type next and ChatGPT will create the content of next chapter one by one. Do it for all your chapters. Now your book is ready. Now the fourth part is to generate the cover page of that book. Ask ChatGPT to provide the prompt that will generate the book cover. Using other AI image generator websites. Copy the prompt and paste on the ideogram website. Within 30 seconds it will gives you a book cover page based on your prompt. For book cover page we choose ratio 2:3 and click to generate. Until ideogram generates our cover page, we will download our book in MS Word format. Here you can see the book cover is generated successfully. Download the best cover among any of them. In my case, the book cover page contains some unwanted text which I will remove using Canva, and write the subtitle which one I want in Canva app. Once the editing is done, simply download the cover page. Now the final step is to publish our book on Amazon Kindle ebook. Click the link in description and you will be redirected to that page. Sign up if you don't have any account. Then choose Kindle ebook and click Create ebook. Now fill up the details. Enter your book title. And then subtitle. Scroll down and enter the author name. For the book description, ask ChatGPT to generate the book description and paste it on Kindle book. Choose the publisher, right, and primary audience of the book. For the keywords, again ask ChatGPT and paste it here. One by one. Now click Save and Continue. Before that, please fill all section before proceeding. Now on the second page, upload the manuscript. Manuscript simple means that the internal content of the book. Choose the file which we have created before using Google Docs. And upload. Now it's time to upload the cover page of the book that you created using ideogram and edited on Canva. Now choose the AI-generated content portion, answer the question properly. Then launch preview, so check the book properly and fix if there is any spelling error. As you can see how our book will be looks like. Once you have fixed the spelling error, click on Save Changes and move to the next page of the website. On the third page, select the pricing and royalty fees, and customize the pricing for different regions of the world. Then click on Publish your Kindle ebook. Once your book get published, you will get a pop-up message that your will is under review. It will take up to 72 hours to go live your book. You will be informed via email. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.